Hey everybody, it's Pat from Altitude Tech Life. I want to give you a quick video on how to find different effects that did not come with the Govee app that you don't have to spend hours and hours saving or setting up to your system. So the quickest way to do this I found was go to Share Space, look for a lighting effect that you want. Christmas is coming up. There is a candy cane lighting effect. If I click into it, I can actually get a preview of what it looks like and what the other person has set up, and I can decide if that's one that I want to save. To save it, you click on the star button down at the bottom of the screen where it says 369, and you'll see that it now has saved successfully. Here is a tip to get back to where you can view it quickly. If you hit the back arrow, do not hit the back arrow again in the upper left, but now swipe up. It's not listed in the share space where you would think it might be at the top. It's actually located under the do-it-yourself function, and it goes into your default group, and you can see there that this is the lighting effect that I just saved. To put it into a different group or category, the first thing you need to do is actually create a group. I thought that it would have been under the plus button, but all the plus button does is allow you to create your own do-it-yourself lighting effect. It's actually under the bars next to the plus button, and this is where you can see I have different groups created already. And if I go into display management, I can move lighting effects around from one group to another. Or I can even go into group management and I can add a group in here. So I'm going to call this group the test group and hit confirm. You can now see that I have a new group created, and I can now move these groups in any order that I want and assign lighting effects to them. The easiest way I found to move lighting effects around is to click the pencil button next to the effect. Once I'm in here, I'm going to rename this, and I'm going to call it Candy Cane. Hit confirm, and I'm going to assign it to a group now. I can move it into my test group that I just created, but in reality, I want to put it in my Christmas group. And now I hit save. So if I go back, so now that I'm back on my screen, I can click on Christmas, and you can see Candy Cane is listed here. I actually like the C9 Christmas effect, so those are the ones that I have been leaving on. But this is a really quick, easy way to manage all of your user-created effects, and for you to also find different lighting effects created by other people. Hopefully you found these tips and tricks useful. Please feel free to like and subscribe, as it always helps out the channel. Till next time, take care, everybody.